Hello, my name is Manuela Cat, and I have the honor and privilege of serving as the principal at Manhattan Christian Academy. Welcome to our school.
Here at Manhattan Christian Academy, also commonly known as MCA, our mission is to educate New York City children to serve and lead by knowing God and understanding His Word. The 7 pillars or core values that make our institution a beacon of light in the Inwood community of Manhattan, New York are Bible-based worldviews, Christ-centered, excellence, courageous leadership, community, grateful stewardship, and humble service. With having Bible-based worldviews being the central component of our school, we have woven it into every part of the day. Students are challenged at all levels to ponder and analyze what they learn and how it applies to God's truth. We believe education should be more than just knowing the ABCs and 1, 2, 3s. Pre-kindergarten monitors children's development across all domains via quarterly progress reports, and kindergarten sends home quarterly and mid-quarterly report cards. Our elementary ranges from 1st to 5th grade. Our middle school proceeds from grades 6 to 8th. Many of the same programs challenge the students with each new level of grade advancement. Throughout our school, reading, writing, listening, and speaking are taught and assessed. With all that we provide here at MCA and the culture of Christ that anchors our every move, this is the school every child wants and the family they did not know they needed.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Johnson. I'm the math teacher for 6th and 7th grades at Manhattan Christian Academy this year. And I want to share a little bit about you with how we've been able to adapt with the coronavirus pandemic to allow students to learn from home. So we do have a hybrid model, but there are students who don't come in at all, and there are independent study programs. They work from home, where teachers are recording our lessons in class and giving them short lessons, video lessons with content with attached practice or reinforcement activities that they do at home. We also meet with them once a week individually for check-ins, where we see how things are going and if there's any questions that they need help with. When students who do come into class are at home, we are assigning them work that they do at home that, again, reinforces what they learned in class, gives them that time to practice, usually with answers as well to check their work, so that they don't lose any time. They're still applying everything that they're learning in class and getting the chance to practice it at home. When we are fully remote, if no one is coming into school, we do live synchronous classes through Google Meets so that students are able to meet with us and ask questions and get their learning that way. But again, we try to limit the screen time. They're only on for about half the normal class time, and then we give practice for them to complete after that. We also do our tutoring remotely so that any students can join, whether they come into class or not, in order to allow as many students as possible to be able to learn, whether they're able to come into class or not. So this is what distance learning is looking like at MCA this year, and we're grateful to be able to provide this option to families.
Good morning, my name is Mrs. Jones. I'm the 5th grade teacher here at MCA, and we are here to talk about our safety protocols. We have put in place many different things to keep our students as safe as possible. There are weekly and daily health screenings that the parents and the students are required to do. Before they enter the building, their temperature is taken, and before you enter any room, you have to sanitize your hands. We're washing hands all day long. We're wearing our masks all day long. The children do get mask breaks to get a break from that outside. As well, we are keeping our space 6 feet distance on lines. And when we're moving around in the classroom, the desks are spaced apart, and they're also outfitted with a shield. And the students are doing great with following these procedures and just keeping us safe as a school. As you can see, we've gone above and beyond to implement practices to keep our school as safe as possible.
Thank you for joining us for our virtual tour of Manhattan Christian Academy. We wish we could welcome you in person, but hope you learned a lot about our programs, our distance learning, remote learning programs, and our COVID procedures to keep all of our students safe. MCA is a family atmosphere. We love all of the students here, and every teacher is called to Christian education. We also are Christ-centered and Bible-based. Thank you again for joining us. We look forward to seeing you soon.